Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create the zoom neon flow effects in CapCut. So first, just add the clips that you want to add it, and then just click the transition box in between the clips. And then now go to the distortion and find the pulse transition, apply it to your clips, click on a check icon, and now click on the second clip, go to animations, and then under the in category use the ripple animation. Okay, click on a check icon, and now go to the video effect, find the scanning category, and then use this neon flow effect. You can adjust it to your liking, but I'm going to just leave it as it is and apply the effects to all of your clips. And after that, you are done, and this will be the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.